Lesson 2.11 is still working with multiplication, but we're going to do 3 and 4 digits times a 1-digit number with regrouping. Some of the kids still like to use their area models or boxes because visually that makes sense to them, which is totally fine. But this is just a strategy, and again, this is just like we were taught growing up, and it's less steps as we go. So your first example here is 394 times 6. You're always going to start with your ones place. Some kids are doing this to know where to start, which is totally fine. You'll do 6 times 4. And just like before, I like to start at the top and do the 24. Then you'll go 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 2 is 56. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 5 is 23. And you have just done regrouping with a 3-digit times a 1-digit. The kids are more than welcome to use the addition sign up top as they add, but they don't have to. Another example, 672 times 4, starting with your ones place, then moving from there. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Going a little bit harder than doing 4 digits times a 1-digit. It's the same thing, we're just adding another digit and having to continue on multiplying. So we'll start with our ones place. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18. You keep going. Sorry, I should put my 1 first. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 1 is 57, and then put your comma in. One more example. 7 times 9 is 63. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6 is going to be 24. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 2 is 38. And 9 times 6 is 54, plus 3 is 57. And if they don't like this method and want to stick with an area model, they can break it apart and put your 6,420 and then a 7, and then put your 9 on this side, and then they could go through and add up all their partial products if they would like to.